Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a plain studio background with the Nano Banana, and to access this you can use Google Gemini. Just open a new chat, click here on tools, and then toggle this one on, create images. And as long as you have 2.5 flash as the model, you'll see this banana icon next to image. That means you're actually using Nano Banana. And then just go to your file explorer, get the image, right? You want to get the plain studio background for. Let's do this one. We'll drag and drop it right here into Gemini, and we'll use a prompt. So this is my prompt that I'll use. I will leave in the description the prompt you can go ahead and use as well, and I'll show you the different keywords you can use, okay, and why we are using such keywords, as you can see. So I'll show you this one right here. I'll go ahead and just paste this in. Let's let it run while I explain what the other keyword does, right? So this one, we're basically changing the background. We're explaining what it should look like. And then we're asking to use softbox lighting from the front and add a natural gradient shadow behind the subject, to add depth. But we want to preserve, this is very important, preserve the person's pose and features. Otherwise we'll start changing things. Here as well, look, keep the original subject intact. And these ones are just to replace. Of course, you can use any colors you want as well, even blue. But here we'll use this one, neutral gray. And let's see what it looks like. That looks really good actually, and you can just come here, download it in full size, and begin using it, as you can see right here. And that is how to make a plain studio background with Nano Banana.